I come to health, which has been the key performer in the province of Sindh in the last 5 years, and not only in the province of Sindh. I think we are recognized nationally, not only nationally but internationally, for the services that we have provided, especially in tertiary health. Health investment project societies and boost economy with healthy society. Budget estimates for 2023-24 for health services have been proposed to as rupees 214.547 billion for non-development against a budget estimate of 196 billion for the current financial year. We have spent more than 233 billion in current financial year to provide state-of-the-art healthcare infrastructure and easily accessible health facilities to general public and running programs of prevention and control of disease. I will skip, the details here. I'll just go to, what we're doing with other organizations, mostly Sindh government organizations. The grant to SIUT.
Please order in the house. आप लोग बैठ जाएं या बाहर चले जाएं.
The grant to Sindh Institute of Urology and Transplant has been increased to rupees 15.316 billion for the next financial year. This is an increase of 5 billion rupees over current year's allocation. The funds will be utilized in financial year 2023-24 for installation, purchase of 2 robotic surgery systems, one in BIUT Shaheed Benazirabad and one system in SIUT Larkana, Mehrunisa Medical Complex, Karachi and Sakhar Medical Complex, SIUT. We've given a provision of rupees 6 billion for Peer Abdul Qadir Shah Jilani Institute of Medical Sciences, Gampad, including 845 million for procurement of linear accelerator with integrated high-field MRI for treatment of cancer patients, and rupees 1 billion for procurement of 1 robotic surgical system for treatment of poor patients. For bone marrow transplantation and kidney center, 60 million have been kept for the bone marrow transplant at Dow University Health Sciences, and rupees 200 million will be provided as grant in aid to Kidney Center, Karachi. To Indus Hospital, we are increasing the grant for next year to rupees 4 billion, and in addition, for the expansion of the hospital, we have enhanced the grant in the next financial year to rupees 4 billion. In addition, looking at our public-private partnership experience and our success, we have recently teamed up with another non-governmental organization, the Children of Adam, and constructing a neuropsychiatry hospital, the first of its kind in Karachi, and the land for this has been given it's been purchased by the organization. We've given the land, we've also given some seed money, and they're in the process of, the construction has started, and inshallah we are working with them to give them some hospitals and give them the new hospital that they're building. The huge hospital is going to be in Gadab. They also wanted something in the center of the city, and we're looking at an area in Korangi to give them this give them this land so they can provide this service. To Jinnah Postgraduate Medical Center, an amount of 7.196 billion along with 2,713 posts have been earmarked in current financial year 2022-23. Besides, following measures have been adopted for providing free of cost quality healthcare service to deprived and marginal segments of society. The bedded capacity of Jinnah Postgraduate Medical Center has been enhanced from 1,100, we doubled it to 2,000, more than doubled it actually, 2,208. Hiring of 1,925 well-qualified and experienced senior doctors, staff nurses and skilled technicians to run the hospital 24/7. Budgetary provisions for financial year 2023-24 have been increased. I can see all my ministers are looking at schemes and not listening to the budget speech.
We are listening, you sir.
Budgetary provisions of financial year 2023-24 have been increased from rupees 7.196 billion to rupees 11.217 billion, along with the total of 4,258 posts. Funds will be utilized entirely for the following activities. Sir, the government of Sindh, the province of Sindh, the JPMC, had the unique distinction of providing state-of-the-art cyber knife radiation facility at the Jinnah Postgraduate Medical Center. They did not have one, but two cyber knives. And it is the only place on the planet where this service is provided free of cost. And while speaking to them, the first machine that I bought was more than 10 years old. We just celebrated 10 years and they wanted a new machine, and the government of Sindh has given more than ₹1 billion, and this, inshallah ta'ala, this new cyber knife machine, this robot, will be purchased. I've told them before 14th of August this year so that we can go and inaugurate it. And this facility which the government of Sindh gives, if you go anywhere else on the planet, you will spend anywhere between $50,000 to $100,000 for treatment, depending on how many sessions you do. And here in the province of Sindh, along with the Patient Aid Foundation, the government of Sindh is providing this service free of cost, not only to the residents of Sindh, to the residents of Pakistan, but several expatriates have come, expat Pakistanis have come here and got treated in this facility.